This might have been the most fun I've had using a wallet. If you're looking to upgrade your wallet setup from 2026 with something that is sleek, slim, and modular, then the Mech Wallet by PunCube might be what you've been looking for. Let's run the intro. So I've had this wallet for a little over 2 months now, and PunCube did send this over for a review, but everything I'm going to be talking about, all the specs, all my experience is my own opinion. I haven't even scripted this video. This is all kind of raw, so let's get started. So when you get the Mech Wallet, it comes in this really nice metal container as well, so it's really well packaged. And once you open it up, you get this card, you get like a toolkit as well, and you also get this metal clip that looks really well machined. On the back here, you've got this film that is reusable. So you can basically stick this on your Mech Wallet, and then if you want to take it off, you just slide it off, wash it, and it gets sticky again. You can reposition it and put it wherever you want. It's nice that they've added this in the package. The version I have is the Black Horizon version, and you can see it's quite fingerprinty. So if you want something that is less fingerprinty, then they do have other options. They have the Wasteland version, and they also have the Ripple version. So the Horizon version is just this smoother one. Each version has a different click system when you open it, which we're going to talk about in a minute. So in terms of thickness, it's no thicker than my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And in terms of the actual build, this is CNC machined aluminium or aluminum, along with the other versions that I mentioned as well. Although they do also have a grade 4 titanium version. So if you want to go with something that's a bit more classy, then that would definitely be the one to go for. But it is a bit more expensive as well. One of the many things I like about this is the addiction with opening and closing it. If you go with the Ripple version, it does have a smooth open close mechanism. This is the Horizon one, so you get like one click when you open and close it. And then you've got the Wasteland version that has like multiple clicks as you kind of slide it open. Now the mechanism on here, I've never had any issues. I've been opening and closing this as much as I fidget with a fidget spinner, and I've not had any issues with it. It doesn't get stuck. It's built to last, basically. I've not had any issues with it being stuck at the top, like struggling to open it. When I'm going to the shops and I want to get my card out, you just kind of do that. You take your card out and then done. So simple, so easy. It makes paying for things and taking my cards out and using the wallet just fun, which is kind of a weird thing to say. If you're into that whole minimalism element of things, this does carry up to 6 cards. So I've got 5 in here right now. I've never had any issues with them falling out either. So if you shake it, nothing falls out. It feels very secure, really well built. Now it also has 100% RFID support as well, so you don't have to worry about your card data or money being taken out of your cards. You have that extra peace of mind. One of the big things about this wallet that really appealed to me, that made me want to do this review in the first place, was the modularity element of it. A couple of the accessory like modules that you can get, that you can attach to the Mech Wallet, are like the MagSafe one, where you can attach it to the back here, and then you can just attach the wallet to your phone, so you can have it all nice in one package. And then you have this one, which is the one that I have, which is the AirTag module. So this just opens up, it closes with magnets here, so it's really satisfying to close and open, and you can put like some notes in there. And then you've also got obviously the AirTag section. Now I've got some issue with this just because this is kind of wearing over time in terms of it's really easy to get the AirTag in and out, but then it doesn't really sit flush on the back here, which kind of makes me worried that over time this is just gonna end up just wobbling around on the inside, which isn't the greatest experience. I kind of would have liked them to have done what ESR had done with their wallet, where they've basically got an AirTag card on the inside of this, and then you can wirelessly charge it at the bottom here. I have also done a review of the ESR wallet, so I'll leave that link down in the description if you're interested in checking that out. It would have been nice if this had that same kind of thing where you could just charge it. It's basically 2 or 3 hours of charging and then you're good for the next 6 months. But PunCube does also sell a Sentry card. Now that card basically acts as an AirTag card that you put in your wallet with your other cards. It's ultra slim as well because it's 1.6 millimeters in thickness, and it supports both iPhone and Android because it supports like Find My, so you can use that as your AirTag. But with this particular module that I have, it just would have been nice to kind of have it all in one, so I don't have to keep taking the AirTag in and out all the time, just a simple charge. But that is my only issue with this wallet. Everything else has been absolutely great. Like, I love the build quality. I love how easy it is to get my cards out, although that can be quite dangerous. I really like the RFID feature. That's another thing that kind of is essential for me with wallets. And it's just An overall great package, a really nice, modern, simple, elegant, really well machined package. And with the module attached as well, it does add a bit of thickness, but it's not so thick that it's going to be bulky in your pocket. If you're looking to move away from the older, bulkier wallet setup and looking to have something that's sleek, slim, modern, has RFID, really well built, and has that modularity element to it, then I would highly recommend the Mech Wallet. I'll leave my exclusive link down below where you can get 10% off. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.